WHILL Model R comes in 2 separate boxes, and within those boxes will be all the things that you need to assemble your unit. In box 1, you will have the front wheelbase, the battery charger, seat post, tiller covers, bolts, keys, and the QR code. In box 2, you will have the rear wheelbase, seat, arms, cushion, and basket. To assemble the unit, begin by connecting the front and back drive bases. You will notice the handle marked with a white line indicating a pickup point. To connect, pick up the front wheelbase by the handle and guide it towards the back. Noticing the bottom curved edge of the front wheelbase will rest on the metal frame of the back wheelbase. The top handle will click into place over the top metal bar. Next, you will raise the front tiller by grasping the handle and pulling down on the tab located on the side with your thumb to unlock the handle. Pull the handle away from the tiller to unlock and raise the tiller to the upright position. Close the handle to lock the tiller in place. Next, you will attach the tiller covers, starting with the inside tiller section, by guiding the top into place and pressing firmly down to the bottom. Be sure to adjust the wire at the bottom so it is not pinched. Then, place the outer tiller cover by pressing in place and snapping onto the inside tiller. Again, making sure to check that the wire is not pinched. Next, you will secure the front and back tiller covers together with 4 bolts. Now we will install the seat post, starting by removing the bolt in the seat. Now you will slide in the post and setting it to the desired height and reattaching the bolt. Next, attach the basket by inserting the bottom portion first, and then the back portion by pinching the back of the basket as you guide it in place. To attach the seat pan, use the view hole in the center of the seat to line up the post and snap in place. Adhere the QR code to the seat pan. We will guide you how to use the QR code to connect to the phone application in a separate video. You can see here, there are 4 bolts on the seat pan that allow you to adjust the seat closer or farther away from the tiller. To adjust the seat, remove the 4 bolts and slide the seat to the desired position and secure the bolts back into the seat pan. To place the seat cushion, use the adhesive strips on the bottom of the seat cushion to position it on your seat. Now you will add the armrests. Start by removing the 2 bolts on the back of the seat pan. Then slide in the armrest to the desired width and replace the bolts. You can also adjust the armrest height by removing the bolts, lowering or raising the armrest to your height and replacing the bolts. Repeat by adding and adjusting the armrest on the other side. Now that your unit is assembled, we suggest fully charging the battery before your first use. The battery can be charged on or off the device, and charging will begin when the charger light flashes green. Once the battery is charged, place it into the chair by pushing it directly into the slot in the rear drive base, and ensure the brake levers underneath the chair are up before powering on.